Nepal, a small country nestled in the Himalayas, is a land of breathtaking beauty. This enchanting nation is home to some of the world's most awe-inspiring landscapes. From towering snow-capped peaks to lush green valleys, Nepal offers a diverse range of landscapes that captivate the soul. The dramatic contrast between the rugged mountains and the serene valleys create a visual symphony that is hard to forget. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast or a nature lover, Nepal has something to offer everyone. From thrilling treks and mountain climbing to peaceful nature walks and bird watching, the opportunities for exploration are endless. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning scenery and immerse yourself in the rich culture of this Himalayan gem. The vibrant cultural festivals and traditional practices add another layer of depth to your experience. Nepal's natural beauty is a sight to behold. The landscapes here are not just visually stunning, but also spiritually uplifting, offering a sense of peace and tranquility. The towering Himalayas dominate the skyline, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. These majestic mountains stand as silent sentinels, watching over the land below. Lush green valleys fed by crystal-clear rivers carve their way through the mountains, creating a breathtaking contrast of colors and textures. The rivers, with their gentle murmur, add a soothing soundtrack to the picturesque scenery. The air is fresh and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine forests and wildflowers. Every breath you take fills you with a sense of vitality and well-being. Nepal is a feast for the senses, a place where you can truly connect with nature and experience its raw power. The unspoiled beauty of this land invites you to explore, discover, and be inspired. The Himalayas are the crown jewels of Nepal, a majestic mountain range that stretches across the country. Home to some of the world's tallest peaks, including Mount Everest, the Himalayas offer unparalleled opportunities for trekking and mountaineering. Imagine standing at the foot of these giants, their snow-capped summits disappearing into the clouds. The air is thin at these altitudes, but the views are simply breathtaking. As you ascend higher, the vegetation changes, giving way to alpine meadows and rocky outcrops. The silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whistling through the mountains and the occasional cry of a bird soaring overhead. The Himalayas are a true test of human endurance and a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. The Annapurna circuit is one of the most popular trekking routes in Nepal, and for good reason. This trek takes you through a diverse range of landscapes, from lush green valleys to high-altitude deserts. You'll pass through charming villages, encounter friendly locals, and witness breathtaking views of the Annapurna mountain range. The Annapurna circuit is a challenging but rewarding trek, offering a glimpse into the heart of the Himalayas. The trail winds its way through rhododendron forests and past cascading waterfalls, offering breathtaking views at every turn. You'll cross suspension bridges over raging rivers and stay in tea houses perched on mountain slopes. The Annapurna circuit is an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after you return home. Everest Base Camp is a dream destination for many adventurers, a place where aspirations meet the raw beauty of nature. Trekking to the base camp of the world's highest mountain is a challenging but incredibly rewarding experience. The journey tests your endurance and spirit, pushing you to your limits. You'll follow in the footsteps of legendary mountaineers, crossing glaciers and moraines, and experiencing the thrill of being surrounded by some of the world's tallest peaks. Each step brings you closer to the heart of the Himalayas. The journey to Everest Base Camp is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Every trail and path tells a story of perseverance and adventure. You'll trek through Sherpa villages, where you can learn about their unique culture and traditions. The warmth and hospitality of the Sherpa people add a rich cultural layer to your adventure. The air gets thinner as you ascend, and the landscape becomes more barren, but the views are simply out of this world. The stark beauty of the high-altitude terrain is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Reaching Everest Base Camp is a moment of triumph, a testament to human resilience and the allure of the unknown. It's a celebration of your journey, your struggles, and your ultimate victory over the challenges of nature. Section 5. Fiwa Lake, a serene escape. Fiwa Lake, located in the Pokhara Valley, is a serene oasis surrounded by stunning mountain views. Take a boat ride across the lake, and you'll be greeted by the reflection of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges in its crystal-clear waters. The peace and tranquility of Fiwa Lake are a welcome contrast to the bustling city of Pokhara. Rent a paddle boat and explore the lake at your own pace, or simply relax by the shore and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. In the evening, watch the sunset over the mountains, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Fiwa Lake is a place to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Section 6. Langtang Valley, Untouched Beauty and Resilience. Langtang Valley, located north of Kathmandu, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This valley is known for its pristine beauty, with towering snow-capped peaks, lush green forests, and charming Tamang villages. The Langtang region was severely affected by the 2015 earthquake, but the resilience of the local people is truly inspiring. Trekking through Langtang Valley is a humbling experience. You'll witness firsthand the devastation caused by the earthquake and the incredible spirit of the people rebuilding their lives. The scenery is simply breathtaking, with views of Langtang Lirung and other majestic peaks. Langtang Valley is a reminder of the power of nature, both to destroy and to inspire. Section 7. Chitwan National Park, where wildlife roams free. Chitwan National Park, located in the Terai region of Nepal, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to a diverse range of animals, including Bengal tigers, one-horned rhinoceroses, and Asian elephants. The park's rich biodiversity makes it a crucial sanctuary for these majestic creatures. Embark on a jungle safari and experience the thrill of spotting these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The excitement of seeing these animals up close is an unforgettable experience. Chitwan National Park offers a unique opportunity to witness the biodiversity of the Terai region. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the park is teeming with life. Take a jeep safari through the grasslands where you can explore the vast landscapes and observe the wildlife in their natural surroundings. Or hop on an elephant's back for a more traditional mode of transportation, offering a unique vantage point to see the park. You might encounter crocodiles basking in the sun, their scales glistening in the light, monkeys swinging through the trees, chattering and playing as they move from branch to branch, or even an elusive tiger stalking its prey, blending seamlessly into the tall grass. Chitwan National Park is a reminder of the importance of conservation and the beauty of the natural world. It stands as a testament to the efforts made to protect and preserve our planet's incredible wildlife. Section 8. Bardia National Park, a hidden gem in the Terai. Bardia National Park, located in western Nepal, is another hidden gem for wildlife lovers. This remote park is known for its large population of Bengal tigers, making it an excellent destination for tiger sightings. Bardia is less crowded than Chitwan, offering a more intimate wildlife experience. Explore the park on foot with an experienced guide, or take a jeep safari to cover more ground. You might encounter wild elephants, sloth bears, or even a rare Gangetic dolphin in the Karnali River. Bardia National Park is a true wilderness experience, where you can immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of the jungle. Section 9. The Enchanting City of Kathmandu. Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal, is a vibrant blend of ancient history, rich culture, and modern life. Explore the narrow streets of Tamil, the tourist hub, and browse through colorful shops selling handicrafts, trekking gear, and souvenirs. Visit ancient temples and stupas, such as Pashupatinath Temple and Buddhanath Stupa, and witness religious ceremonies that have been practiced for centuries. Kathmandu is a city of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern influences. You'll see monks in maroon robes walking alongside tourists with backpacks, and hear the sounds of chanting blending with the honking of horns. Kathmandu is a sensory overload in the best possible way, a city that will leave a lasting impression. Section 10. Exploring the cultural heritage of Nepal. Nepal is a country with a rich cultural heritage, influenced by Hinduism and Buddhism. Explore ancient temples and monasteries, admire intricate wood carvings and colorful murals, and witness traditional dances and music performances. Interact with friendly locals, sample delicious Nepali cuisine, and learn about their customs and beliefs. Nepal's cultural heritage is an integral part of its identity. From the colorful prayer flags fluttering in the wind to the intricate mandalas painted on temple walls, every detail tells a story. Take the time to learn about the history and significance of the places you visit, and you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the rich tapestry of Nepali culture. Section 11. Your next adventure awaits. Share your dream destinations. Nepal's breathtaking scenery and rich culture will leave a lasting impression on your soul. From the towering Himalayas to the serene lakes and the vibrant cities, Nepal has something to offer everyone. We hope this journey through Nepal's scenic wonders has inspired you to explore this beautiful country. Now, we want to hear from you. What other breathtaking destinations around the world would you like us to uncover? Share your dream travel spots in the comments below, and let's continue exploring the beauty of our planet together. Don't forget to like this post and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel adventures.